ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No pro skill required, in just a few clicks. You can turn your ideas into eye-catching videos, all from your phone or computer. Let me show you how to do it. So, hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to make a YouTube shorts with Canva. So all I have to do right now is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first let's know what is Canva. Canva is a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations as well without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create a cutting, professional looking videos in minutes right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. So let's get started. Firstly, all I have to do is just come back here and tap on your find two buttons, one of sign up and log in as well. So you have just to write your email address and your password, then you get started and you'll find this page as you can see. And this is the page where you will just design and start with it. So let's come back. I will show you how you can sign up. I already have an account, that's why we don't have here sign up and log in. So I just right now click over home and you'll find a page, which is this one as you can see. It's if it's your first time, all I have to do is click over sign up and just start your inscription. If you already have an account, you click over login and link your information such as email address and password, then you'll find your account. And right now let's get started with the home page as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just click over search your content and canvas and you search for short videos YouTube, like that, and I will just dive into it and you will find the various templates here as you can see. I will just click over CL and you'll find a various template with a different type. You can just select the one you think it's better. So as you can see, we have a 20,000 templates. It's very hard to see all these templates and just select the best one, but right now I will show you one step that could help you and facilitate your research. Right, all I have to do right now is to click over all filters and you have to select the category that you want. For example, if it's a business, such as document, presentations, we have also whiteboard, business cards, flyers, and also we have here the category of social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitation. Then we have also here the style as you can see. So you can just select here also the theme, if it's black, language as well, feature, grade, subject, topic, the price as well. About the price, I will select the free one. Then we have also here about the color. You can just select the color that you want. For example, I will select the white one because I like it. Then I will click over apply and you'll find other page which is this one. So let's just wait for it. And here we have it. We have here 10,000 templates as you can see, and about the filters that I select, which is the price and the color. So here we have it. You can just select the one you want. For example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template. As you can see, for example, it's just a short video that show us how you can cook. All right, so let's just select this one and it's just clicking here over here and you'll see the short YouTube videos how it looks. Right, so let's wait for it. As you can see, we have how it looks. You can just modify whatever you want here and I will show you how you can do that. All right, as you can see in this video show up as how you can cook pancake as you can see. Right, so I will show you right now how you can design your template. Alright, so let's just right now click over here the option of design. If you want about this one, just search for other template. If you don't like this one, you can just select here videos, short videos, YouTube. Also we have here the option of elements if you want. Also here other templates if you don't like those templates on the design. I will select for example videos, shorts, YouTube, and I will go to the videos and I will select the videos here. As you can see, we have various videos. You can just select the one you want. Right, also right now we have here the option of uploads. If you don't like all this the plates, you can just click over videos here on uploads and you upload the files from your computer, as you can see. All right, and then you get started with this one. As you can see, also you can record yourself if you want. You have just to clear over record yourself, and you allow for the conditions, and you click over record as well, and we have here 3 2 1, and you get started. As you can see here, we have here, you can just select, for example, the first page, the third page, and you have just to talk and you start recording as well, right? So I will have it how it looks, as you can see, and I will click over done. And then if I don't like, for example, someone, I will just delete it, and I will click over here. If I want to save, I will click over save, as you can see, and I will exit. Right now I will just exit the studio, and I will click over exit without saving because I don't like it. If you want to just start recording yourself on this short, you can just click over record yourself, or you can just create your own videos short, and you get started. All right, also we have here the option of draw. If you want to draw something on your template as well, if you want to just also, if you did a mistake, for example, I will just here do that and I don't like it, I will just click over here, or I will just click over here, as you can see. And this is it for drawing. And right now also we have other options such as projects, application, QR code as well, and here we have it, as you can see. Also, we have here the option, if you want to add something, you can just go to the text and you click over add a heading or add a subheading. If you want to also add a little bit of body text, font combination, and also we have here, if you want to add some things, for example, logos of YouTube. If you want to add, for example, your channel, you have just first let's add your YouTube channel. We'll just search for YouTube logos right here, and here we have it. I will select the option of graphics, and I will select the graphic that I want, or the graphic I think is fair. For example, I will select here there's graphics, as you can see, for YouTube, and I will just change or modify the size. As you can see, I'll put it in the top, and then I will add here my channel. As you can see, I will just go to the text, and I will add here the option of add a little bit of body text, as you can see, and I will also modify here the color and other things, as you can see. And then here we have it, how it works with this platform, which is Canva, and how you can design and you create your YouTube short videos. Right now you have just to click over share in the top right, and you have just to copy the link and you share it with your friends. Or also we have the other options such as download, public your link, Instagram as well. And also if you want to see all, and you just chat with your friends. All right, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.